What's the meaning of aerobic? Aerobic. 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 The term aerobic refers to a type of physical activity that relies on the use of oxygen to produce energy for the body. During aerobic exercise, the heart and lungs work harder to provide the muscles with the oxygen they need to keep moving. Examples of aerobic activities include running, swimming, biking, and dancing. Regular aerobic exercise can have numerous health benefits, including improved cardiovascular function, increased endurance, weight management, and reduced risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. It can also help improve mood and mental well-being.